Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm going to do a double box because I didn't get a chance to film this one. This is September's box. And there's plenty of videos out there, so I know you guys aren't missing this at all from me. Was there finally a good coupon and I just missed it? Nope. Okay, good. Alright, so what did we get? We got, let me put it over here. I can speak. It's been one of those mornings. Let's see. So we got, oh nice, a clover seam ripper. Oh, awesome. And it's a clover one, and it's pink. I love it. This is my second favorite color, is pink. So perfect. Oh, that's beautiful, you guys. Its value is $5.48. Triangles of, oh no, jelly braid paper. Oh, I wanted this so bad. It's a 5-inch jelly braid paper. Oh, yay, score. Okay, that one's a cool one. Good deal. This is valued at $16.98, you guys. I cannot wait to do. I love paper piecing. It is actually my jam, and so this one looks like fun. Oh, I wanted that so badly. Okay. And then we have a quilt project book. Now, I have the Lori Holtz one, but if you wanted a smaller one, this would work too. This is going to be, let's see. This is going to be a quilt project book, and it is valued at $13.98. Yeah, $13.98. So you have my project list, which is never ending, right? Okay, so it's one of those kind of books. So let's see. So your project list, and then you can put the name, the fabric name, the designer, the pattern, the quilted by, the size, the start date, the end date, and done. So yeah, so that's one way to do it with this one, with the pocket one. It's almost like a pocket one. And okay, so here is the let's see if I can do this without ripping anything. This is going to be a Dutch braids table runner pattern, a Dutch braid sun drenched junior jelly roll. So junior jelly roll, and this is going sun drenched is, I don't have my glasses so I can't. Oh, Sweet Fire Road is, luckily it's on the paper. So let's see how this one looks. Oh, it's pretty. That is really pretty. I like that. Very fall colors. This is valued at $26.98. And then you have, let's see. I'm so behind on my monthly. It's just not enough time. Flowering block 6, feeling fresha block. I'm not good at flowers, so I don't know. I think that's a flower, right? And then you get the Dutch braids table runner. This is $9.98. That should be $4.98, I believe. Yeah. So, how fun. Okay, so that was the month of September. I love it. I love this. That's my favorite. This right here, worth it. This is amazing. I love that. So perfect. Okay, now we have October's Patchwork Prairie is what it's called. Oh wow. Darn it. I should have opened this before I ordered my regular Fat Quarter Shop order, because that had a deal in there. Shoot. Now I have to go see. I need to buy something before November ends, or before November. So let's start this way. This is going to be a Pie Safe Evening on the Prairie Junior 10-inch Stacker by Melissa Gilbert. Oh. So it's a Melissa Gilbert fabric line. It's a fall one. So that's valued at $22.98. Oh, this is a magnetic sewing magnet mate. It's So Emma. And it is valued at $12.98. You can never have enough of these. Thank gosh I don't have carpet, because then that would freak me out, because I would be stepping on that. Oh, and then you get an add a quarter. I have a lot of these, so, but I'm glad because sometimes you nick them. and so that sucks. So having these is a good thing. So when you get them, you know, it's no big deal. But add a quarter is for paper piecing, which I love, and this is $8.98. That is the value for that one. You get a 5-inch square and a square. I have yet to use one of these, and I have a lot of them, and I really want to. I love this though. And the square and square is valued at $9.98. And then we have the flowering. This is going to be number 7. I need to get to mine. I need to start doing them. Oy. Yep. $4.98 is that one. And then this is a Pie Safe Table Runner pattern. And, yep. So, very pretty. This is $9.98. So, yeah. Okay, so what's my favorite from this one? Is that all we got? I think that's all we got, right? Okay, so I loved September's more. October's, I already have all this stuff. Yeah, I already have all this stuff. So I have magnets. I have add rulers. I have this. So nothing is actually my favorite, but I'm not disappointed with the box either. So, you know, there is that. So Melissa Gilbert has cute stuff. So yeah, I'm okay with it. But yeah, the September one was my favorite. All right, guys, you take care. We will see you all next month. And maybe I've only done, what, 3? So 6, 7. So I'm 4 behind as usual. That's just like my project life also. All right, guys, you take care. We'll see you all later. Bye.